My well-behaved beagle learned how to jump up onto the table to eat my cat's food. So I have to come up with a way to make the cat food inaccessible to Trixie. So I'm going to put it on this wall using some floating shelves that I found on Amazon.com. They were about $30. This is an easy one, using a tape measure, pen, a level hammer, some drywall anchors, and a drill. I went ahead and leveled them out to see where I wanted them, and I marked where the holes are going to be with a pen. I got to work making the holes and using the hammer to put the drywall anchors in exactly where I'm going to attach the shelves. The hard part is over. Now the fun part is putting the shelves up using my drill. Super easy since the anchors are there. Look, a little cat cafe in the air. And the beagle can't reach it. It took Anna a little bit to get used to it, but she can hop right up on that lower shelf and go up and eat food in peace, knowing that the beagle is not going to ruin her dinner. Ha ha ha, you can't reach it. Join me next time when I start to tear apart my master closet. Look at this old thing. It's disgusting and dirty, and there's cobwebs, and I'm about to dig in, y'all. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the next video of From Start to Finish.